Hello, I'm Brian LaBelle here at the Craft Brewers Conference in Minneapolis. It's my distinct pleasure to talk to Garrett Marrero of Maui Brewing Company. Tell us a little bit about the Garrett story. I understand that you're a CEO and co-founder of Maui Brewing Company. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about how that happened.
I always tell the story that when I was 26, I was on vacation, or 21 actually, I was on vacation in Hawaii, fell in love with it and said, I want to drink the local beer. I learned the local beer wasn't actually made in Hawaii. So at the ripe age of 26, I moved over to start Maui Brewing Company. I always say that at 26, you feel like you know everything and you don't learn till later you don't. So I took the risk, and my then wife and I opened Maui Brewing, and is now Hawaii's largest craft brewery. We have a very heavy focus on authenticity, sense of place, transparency in production, those types of things. But I think one of the bedrocks is sustainability for us.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Right on. What a great story.
Thank you.
And so, what are some of your favorite beers that Maui Brewing Company manufactures?
So I always joke, my favorite beer is the one in my hand. Of course, this is cold water.
Cold water from
supplied by George Fisher. But you know, I really love like kettle sours. So we do a beer called 2 Tickets to Paradise every so often. It's a limited release, you'd call it.
Yeah.
But it's a 4% alcohol, very light, a kettle sour saison, brewed with hibiscus and lime. But my everyday is probably Pauhana Pilsner. It's our Pilsner style, very traditional Czech Pils. Spicy hop, nice dry character
I've
finish.
had that one, I love it.
Yeah, I love it. Pauhana actually, Pauhana time is like, and you're done with work, so you're Pau. Pauhana is your shift beer, essentially, your happy hour.
Very cool.
So Pauhana Pilsner is perfect for that time of day. So.
Well, we know that you've had some experiences with GF Piping Systems, our people, our products. Tell us a little bit about those experiences.
Sure, so I think I first installed George Fisher somewhere around 2008, I would say. So
that was
going
pretty
back
early.
Yeah, really early on.
Dan Stromberg must have had something to do with that.
Dan did. If anybody knows Dan, he can be a very convincing person, especially when he feeds you a few beers.
Yeah.
But no, honestly, George Fisher came very strongly with a great offer to say, hey, you know, we know we're new, not new, but to craft beer at the time was relatively new. Here's the benefits, and here's what's different about what you're planning on installing versus what ours does, as we can see behind us here.
Yes.
So, you know, when he educated us on the system, we then made a great deal. We put it into place, and we're really happy with it. And of course, it came with the training to understand how to install it. And I tell you, I have laid what feels like miles of George Fisher pipe myself. So I do speak from a first-hand basis, not what I hear from people. But I really love the product, and like I said, a bedrock for us is sustainability, and we want to do as much as we can with as little energy consumption, as little footprint in Hawaii or on the environment as possible.
Right.
And so the George Fisher pipe definitely helps us maintain our commitment to the environment.
You bet. Energy, efficiency, outstanding. Well, we sure appreciate you as a customer sharing your story with us, taking time from your other duties here at Craft Brewing Conference. So thank you very much for that, Garrett.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you too for being here. I also am chair of the BA board, the Brewers Association board. And without sponsors and vendors and exhibitors like yourself, this event wouldn't be so amazing as it ever is every year. So
amazing is a great way to describe it, because you've been coming to Craft Brew Conference you've seen it grow. It's going to continue to grow, and we're happy to be part of that. So thank you very much.
Thank you.